Okay guys, so you're new to using flipgrid. I'm going to just show you how to do this. In your third period Advanced English Google Classroom, here's the assignment. These are the American Dream quotes if you need them. Here is the questions for the American Dream quotes if you need them. Then here's the link to flipgrid. So you just click on this and it's going to bring you directly to our flipgrid topic, which is just titled American Dream. Here's the little video that I made that just explains what you have to do. You can watch that if you need to. You can watch the Adam Ruins the Suburbs video we watched in class right here if you want to watch that again. And right down here, you're just going to push the plus sign, and that's going to give you this video. And you just hit the record button and you start recording. You can also pause it if you need to move or if you need to think about anything, and then you're just going to upload it. It's moderated, which means I have to see it first and approve it before it goes live into the classroom. You can see right here the questions are right there for you, so that's convenient. And you just post it. You have the option of putting stickers on, and when you title it, just make sure you put you and your partner's names in there. So hope this works out for you. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach me through the Remind app, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.